Hello, good morning, everybody. How are you? Fine? Sounds great. Today we are going to work in our phonology part. Okay, but before we are going to practice our spelling. Okay, and we are going to play together. Okay, yes? Okay, help me please. We are going to choose animals. Okay, ready? Yes? Tiger. T I G E R. Duck. D U C K. Butterfly. B U T T E R F L Y. Sheep. S H E E P. Cat. C A T. Fly. F L Y. Spider. S P I D E R. Horse. H O R S E. Penguin. Okay. P E N G U I N. Fish. F I S H. Dog. D O G. Cow. C A W. Te dejo para que me deletrees frog. Okay? Excellent. Okay, very good. Nice. Okay, you did a great job. It's in order to practice um your words, your spelling. Okay, we are going to work in the page number 6, spelling lesson number 1. Okay, but before we are going to review the page number 5. It was our homework for this last week. Fue nuestra tarea esta semana que pasó. ¿Qué tenías que hacer? You have to turn the book upside down and listen and write the words. Okay, I left you an audio in order you worked in these words. We have lamb, outback, sheepdog, flock, cleaver, pig, curly, waist, kilometers, stockman, horseback, and hills. Okay, and in the page number 6, what do you have to do is, okay, remember you can do it. Okay, look at the pictures, mira las fotografías, then write the missing letters to complete the words. Luego escribe las palabras que hacen falta para completar la palabra. Como tú ya trabajaste tu vocabulary y sabes qué significan, esto va a ser muy sencillo para ti porque ya solo vas a completar viendo tu homework, tus pictures que tú pegaste al inicio de la lesson number 1 para completar esto. ¿Ok? Acá solo tienes que completar viendo la fotografía. ¿Ok? And in this part we are going to leave it. Lo vamos a dejar porque esta no lo vamos a trabajar. ¿Ok? So this is our homework for this week. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know by platform or by email and I'm going to give you assistance. ¿Ok? And remember, enjoy the little things. Disfruta de las pequeñas cosas. Okay? Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.